Hi guys, I'm in the middle of doing a quick shoot for Instagram. Let's just get quickly ready. And मैं face पे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं लगाने वाली because again, makeup is not what I'm going for. It's the look, overall look. So brows are almost done. I'm just gonna quickly clean it a bit. Like I really love this कि जब आप eyebrows करते हो and if you just clean it a little, it looks very like sharp and very put together. So I love doing that for my brows. So that's what I'm doing here. See? It looks very neat, right? Similarly here. Okay, so brows are done. You see, brows are done, looks very neat and put together. Okay, you see my eyes are not fine, so this is also one reason that I'm staying away from makeup. But अभी करना है तो मुझे लाइनर लगाना है अभी के लिए. So let's see how that goes using this Lakme eyeliner. एक विंग में हम बहुत ऐसे क्लासिक से लुक की तरफ जा रहे हैं. लाइनर, बोल्ड रेड लिप, ठीक है. रेड में शायद ना करूँ बिकॉज रेड डजंट सूट मी. सो या विंग बना लेते हैं दो. विंग भी मेरे को ना ऐसे टाइप का सूट करता है, वो पूरा जो लेके करते हैं ना, नॉट दैट. आइज के हिसाब से करना चाहिए आपको हमेशा अपना लाइनर. थोड़ा सा और इसको मैं बोल्ड करूँगी ऑफ कैमरा. ओके, सो द लाइनर इज all done. I'm gonna put some lashes also. These are from Pack. Okay, so the lashes are on. Now I'm just gonna do my base very quickly because I'm not gonna apply a lot of product. So I'm just taking this LA Girl, just a little, like one pump. That's it. I'm gonna just put it all over my face. This foundation is pretty full coverage, so you don't need a lot of product on your face if you're using this. Some contour. Blush. Swiss Beauty again, little bit.